Hello guys, I am Tsholo Phoka for those that don't know, and for those that do know, welcome back to yet another video. On this video, I'm going to be doing the sleek bun with this folks Afro bun. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button as well as the notification button to be notified of every time I post a new video, and let's get straight into this video. I'm going to be using the Eco Styler olive oil gel, a paddle brush, as well as kinky textured hair extensions. The ones I bought are Super Kinky by Sublime. I'm also going to use some bands I made with old stockings. And lastly, some hair clips that we're going to use to hold down the hair. I'm doing this style on freshly washed hair, which is combed out. I'm also going to use some clips to hold my hair in place while I apply the gel. I'm going to apply the gel in sections, so I'm making parts now to the sections I'm going to use to apply the gel. I'm going to start applying the gel in the midsection, which is the center of my head. I have thick hair, so I'm going to be using quite a lot of gel. The reason I apply the gel in sections is to make sure that my hair is thoroughly coated with the gel and my hair is sleek at the end. I start applying a generous amount of gel into the midsection of my hair. I am then going to do the same thing to my entire head. I am going to do sections in the front, then I'm going to apply the gel in sections, and then I'm going to go to the back and apply it in sections also at the back. So I'm going to be doing my entire head like that. When I apply the gel in the front section of my hair, I make sure to soothe my hair in a bun motion so that I can actually hold my hair in place. In the back, I'm also going to do the same thing. I'm just going to push it up front just to make sure it's in a bun position. After applying the gel to all the sections, I'm just going to brush it through just to make the hair flat enough so that we can actually make a flat, sleek bun. I brush my hair in sections with the most gel so as to not break my hair, and I also brush my hair into place, making sure that it is in positions to be in a bun. I'm then going to soothe the hair around into position, also making it sleek and neat. And then I'm gonna take my band that I will be using to make the bun. I'm only gonna take the band only twice around my head, and then after that I'm just gonna twirl it, and then I'm gonna clip it into position so that it's tight enough but not too tight. For the ends of my hair, I'm gonna braid them because we're gonna be putting in extensions. I'm twisting the ends, and then I'm just gonna braid them into one braid, and then just roll it into one top small bun. So my hair is looking like this before I put on my satin scarf in order to make my hair sleek. It's still flat, but we just want to make it more neater and very sleek. This is my first impression of the Eco Styler gel, so I'm pretty impressed with it. It does hold, and it also does actually make the hair sleek. I didn't put gel on my edges because I want to do my edges last. I'm going to put the headscarf on overnight, but you can just put it on for maybe 4 hours or 3 just to make sure the gel dries. I'm putting it overnight because it's pretty late and I'm just going to rock the style the next day. I'm trying to put my headscarf in a wrap so that there are no lines or bumps on my hair when I untie it. So it's just going to be pretty flat. To do our false Afro bun, we're going to be using these extensions that I mentioned earlier. I'm going to separate the hair into sections because we're going to be making our own folks bun. You're going to need a band which we are going to cut, and then hold that band into place, which I use the help of my sisters Matuto and Lisejo. I'm going to take a section of the hair and then I'm gonna tie a knot around the band, and then that's it. We have one of the pieces on our Phoka's bun, which we're going to be using to style our hair. Repeat the steps until you have all the pieces into one band. Now it's the next day, but it will be after a few hours for you. Now I'm going to do my baby hairs before doing my makeup. I'm going to use an old toothbrush to do the baby hairs as well as the Eco Styler gel. I apply the gel just enough to hold my baby hairs. I don't need that much. And then I'm just gonna brush through my baby hairs with the brush. I'm not pulling any new hairs out. I'm just brushing the baby hairs that are already there. I'm also going to apply the gel into the edges at the back of my hair. And then I'm going to put back that satin scarf to lay my edges. So I'm done with my makeup. Now it's time to put the main Phoka's Afro bun. So as seen before, we put our hair extensions on a band and then we're going to tie it around our bun now to make that Phoka's Afro bun. It's easier when you have shorter hair because that bun will be flatter, but I have longer hair, so I have that pom-pom bun which I'm going to use to actually make my bun look fuller, which is also, I guess, a bonus. Put the band around your bun and then we're just going to tie it around until it's tight. Now I'm going to use some clips that have a wider opening to just make sure I secure this bun in place. I'm basically putting the clips where they're not visible, but they're also attached to the hair extensions as well as to my bun. The bun is now secured. And these are the end results. Don't forget to leave a comment on whether you like this hairstyle or you're gonna try it, and also many other videos you'd like me to try out. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and it was easy to follow. See you on the next one.